With today's fast-paced and fiercely competitive marketplace, it is increasingly vital to produce outstanding, top-quality materials that are distinct and exceptional. OnlyTRAININGS is excited to introduce new online training, creating custom materials, science and techniques for blending and compositing with tailored properties. This exclusive training is meticulously crafted to delve into the science and methods behind blending and compositing various materials to create personalized materials with bespoke properties. Throughout the training, our expert will discuss the principles of material science, encompassing the fundamentals of polymers, composites, and additives. You will also learn about various material blending techniques, including melt blending, solution blending, and reactive blending. Training instructor will guide you through the entire process of developing custom materials, from selecting the appropriate base materials to achieving the desired properties such as strength, durability, and flexibility. Additionally, you will gain insight into the importance of testing and evaluating your custom materials to ensure that they meet the required standards. By the end of the training, you will have acquired the knowledge and skills to create custom materials that meet specific requirements, making you an invaluable asset to your organization. You will also be able to apply your knowledge to a wide range of industries, including automotive, aerospace, construction, electronics, medical devices, and many more. If you are looking to enhance your material science expertise and produce unique, top-quality materials that stand out from the rest, then Science and Techniques for Blending and Compositing with Tailored Properties training is perfect for you. Register today by clicking on the link in the description or visiting onlytrainings.com.